Installing an M.2 air baffle. Note: make sure that the M.2 air baffle corresponds with the selected configuration. If the configuration does not have an internal drive cage, combine the front and rear halves of the M.2 air baffle. To combine the two halves of the M.2 air baffle, align the small tabs on the rear half with the notches on the front half, and then slide the rear half toward the front half until it clicks into place. Align the M.2 air baffle with the guide pins on the chassis and the screw on the power distribution board, and then lower the air baffle down until it is seated in place. Fasten the two screws to secure the air baffle. If applicable, install the internal drive cage. Refer to the Installing an Internal Drive Cage Assembly video to complete the parts replacement.